Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this cute little acrylic organizer. It's plastic, it has a handle, and it's a lazy Susan, so it spins. Love that. You can decorate it with these stickers that are included. Super cute. And this is great for your desk. You could use this in your kitchen. You could use this for craft supplies. The list goes on and on. So let's decorate it and check it out. Okay, this little acrylic pen holder is so much fun. This is a really great gift. It has all of the stickers. You get two different sets. One set is sort of dog themed and the other set is cat themed. I love that this spins 360 degrees. I love that it's clear, so it's going to really go with any decor. The handle is a really nice feature because let's face it, when you are crafting, you need to take your items with you so you can carry this and you are less prone to drop it because it has that really nice handle. The Lazy Susan works really, really well, and there's a very, very quiet spin. This is really just great for so many things. I think I might get another one. This would be great for the bathroom for your makeup brushes. I also think this is great for anyone back to school, all grades, even college, for the person going off to college so that they can get their desk really nicely organized. So if you are looking for a really cute and fun desk organizer, definitely check this one out. We are enjoying it and we highly recommend.